Khazi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC Chief Executive Member CEM Panyat Singh CEM has said that the Executive Committee is waiting for the report from the Delimitation Committee. CEM further said that he leave it to the wisdom of the members of the Delimitation Committee. Quoting media reports, the CEM said that as per the statement of the chairman of the Delimitation Committee will submit its report within this month. He also said that even the members of District Council want that elections should be held as soon as possible.
Laksanya nak kalian ke executive committee ban don ye ke delimitation committee but kila don chairman committee or key members te ngi e hajing start jungki but ngai i mene hapo ki media reports la pau shai ban kalian chairman yong ban submit na kumno they say hapo jong ni u benai tingin up ye kata but nak kalian jong ni ru baro ni askwa e ban long no election namal ba de kapor te ka nak kalian jungi la long be ba la pen krek be de puta